appears the eagle has landed. We have our Sony Bravia 70cm or 176.6cm TV. Let's get to what everyone's here for, getting this TV out of the box and mounted up on the wall. Here's the TV, basically out of the box. It's still standing in the bottom part of the box. It comes complete with a stand, which you can see there, still wrapped in the plastic. It's got some instructions, batteries, and the remote control, which looks like it's exactly the same as our other remote control, apart from this one's got a YouTube button, which will be handy. It's got Netflix, which our other one's got, but it's got YouTube as well. That'll be pretty good. See how that goes. And there's the TV, that's obviously the back of it. And the front of the TV is covered with a sheet of cardboard at this stage. So what we'll be doing first up, I'll take those brackets off the wall now and I will attach them to the back of the TV. So we can actually hang it up on the wall and get the front cover off and have a closer look at this TV. Let's go. We've now attached the brackets to the back of the TV, and we've also attached a output cable for the HDMI and an antenna input cable. Keep in mind, those cables did not come with the TV and we had to buy those separately. So if you're buying one of these TVs, make sure you've got some spare cables. Let's hang it up on the wall and see how we go. Here it is up on the wall after a little bit of a struggle. The cables are still hanging out down the bottom, so we'll need to try and get behind there and plug everything in. So far, I'm very happy with it. It looks really nice and seems to be a good size as well. Now we've finally got the TV up on the wall. All the cables are tucked away. It's looking really good. Got the remote control there. We'll press the on button and see what happens. Oh, it's alive. Yes, definitely English. Okay, here's the setup. Press start, agree. Please select to set up your network. Okay, I won't be showing you our internet password, otherwise we'll have a flood of people hanging outside our door using free Wi-Fi. Okay, it looks like it's tuning the channels now. Here we go, we've got TV, ABC, that's great. The setup of this TV was really quite easy and it seems to work. I feel like I might need to adjust the colour a little bit because I prefer my colours a little bit more vibrant than what it currently appears to be. But all these things are quite adjustable, and I'll be having a play with this TV when the lighting's a little bit better at night time, and adjust all my colour preferences and sound preferences. Overall, I'm really happy with this TV, especially the price we paid for it, and I would really recommend this to anyone. It looks really good up there on the wall. And if you've got any questions related to the TV or my home theatre setup, which I'm doing a series on at the moment, and this is part of it, please leave a comment down below. I'm happy to answer any questions and also produce further videos relating to whatever you might need to know or whatever you're interested in. And please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as there'll be more home theatre related videos. Next stage will be setting up the surround sound system and unboxing that. So there's plenty more videos to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.